Hi, this is Matt with AppliancePartsPros.com. Today we'll be showing you how to repair your appliance. Remember, anytime you work on an appliance, make sure it's unplugged or the circuit breakers are off so there's no chance of electrocution. In this video, we're going to show you how to change out the LG refrigerator freezer rail guide assembly. It's going to be a very easy repair, and it should only take a few minutes to show you how to do it. If you already have one of these, great. If not, you can click on the link below or get it at AppliancePartsPros.com. When you open up the package, you're going to get the new freezer rail guide assembly. The freezer rail guide assembly is what the freezer drawer slides in and out on. The main reason you'll be changing it out is if it's damaged and the freezer drawer is not moving in and out properly. In order to change the part, we have to open up the freezer door. Once you have the door open, we're going to take the drawers out. First, the middle one, you just have to lift up on it and pull it out. And then the upper one, we're just going to unsnap that. There's a locking tab right here on each side. It's a little tight, but you have to get your finger in there and press on it from the back side. That'll release the little lock right there. Once you have this side out, we can do the other one. Once you have both sides released, you can just lift up on the drawer and pull it out. Now that we have the drawers out, we have access to the freezer rail guide assembly. It's over here on the right-hand side. We're just going to push in the rail, and then we can use the Phillips screwdriver to remove the screws that hold it in. As you're taking the last screw out, you want to hold it on. And then once you have it out, you just lift the assembly out and pull it out of the freezer. Here's the old freezer rail guide assembly next to the new one. If you already have one of these, great. If not, you can get it at AppliancePartsPros.com. To put the new freezer rail guide in, you just want to line up the locating pin with the hole and then lift it up into place. Once you have it in place, you want to hold it. We can use the Phillips screwdriver to put in the screws. Once you have it installed, we can put everything back in the freezer. When you put the upper drawer back in, you want to make sure the point right here goes here on the rail, and then you want to make sure that the front goes down and snaps in the front. You want to make sure you do the same on both sides. Once you have it in, you can push it back in. To put the middle drawer in, you just want to line up the rollers on each side and then push it back into place and then set it back down so it hooks onto the freezer door. Once you have it in there, we can close the freezer door. Plug it back in and take it for a spin. Thanks for joining us for another successful repair brought to you by AppliancePartsPros.com. Check out our other repair videos on our site, Facebook, and YouTube.